Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is something a little different. I'm kind of just gonna craft with me. I'm gonna make some sequin mixes. I like that they're white because I feel like white you can see the true color of your mix. Sometimes I mix them in a pink bowl and whatnot, but you don't get the full like aspect of what your sequin mix is gonna look like when you do that. But anyway, I'm gonna play with some Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio goodies that I got in my design team package. There's lots of different like colors and patterns going on. Obviously, you can't just mix these all together because that would look not cute, if that makes sense. They're all cute individually, but you can't mix them all together. So I have some that I've purchased from her website and also from her design team package from last time in this little case. So I'm just gonna be, you guys are gonna see me, I might speed it up, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna work with one, and then when I feel like I'm stuck on it or I need to add more, I'll just move on to the next mix. But I definitely love adding like a white. These are definitely like a mirrored clear, but I like adding that for the base, and then these clear ones too. And I literally just start swirling like a mad scientist. I'm gonna do like a mint. It's definitely gonna be like a snow and cocoa style mix to this one. Look at my cute spoon from AliExpress. It's my last one. I gifted all my others, but it has like the little heart, the heart butt. Okay, I'm gonna start adding some of the pink swirls. These are like the polymer clay ones. Ooh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, look how stinking. And that's what I do is like I just pour a little bit at a time. I'm not even describing what I'm doing. And then I mix it to see if one of the colors is more overpowering than the others. Just mixing. Ooh, so cute. I love these little candies. Okay, and now I'm gonna add, I know Ariel had some, look at these snowflakes, you guys. Aren't those stunning? They're like a clear iridescent, so cute. And sometimes it's like you mix these in and it's not like you can just see a bunch of pink snowflakes. Like someone has to appreciate the sequins mix and look up close and see all of that it is. I'm gonna add like some different textures to this. I'm just gonna add some seed beads. See, look at, there goes the seed beads. And also note that when you put your sequins in like a container or I'm gonna put mine in the little baggies. These specific ones are from Hobby Lobby because they come in a bunch of, well, 3 different sizes. But your heavier items, aka your seed beads, are gonna be at the very bottom of your mix. They don't stay afloat very well. Like little circles from her shop. Ooh, these are so cute. Sometimes I just like to pinch. It's like adding salt and pepper, a little bit more, because you can't see it. See, the mix is getting a little bit more pink, which I want. These sparkle ones from her shop. Oh, these are so, look at those. Those are stunning. I'm like, so, ooh, look at those. And these are bigger, so it's, I like mixing. Oh my gosh, this seriously just took the mix from A to B. Look at that. Cute this here. These are like a iridescent. Ooh, yes. Sorry guys, I'm talking to myself. I know this isn't alive or anything, but look at, ooh, how cute. Cocoa does have some blues in it, so I'm wondering if I should, you know what? I'm just gonna add some mints. I was gonna add some blues, but I don't wanna make this a blue mix and mess it up. Just a little bit of candies. Then these guys, she had bows from her last release. I want to try to just add some of the pink. So I'm going to just pick some of these out. Okay, so I just filtered those out and I'm going to dump those in. Again, someone seeing and receiving the mix is going to notice the details, you know, and the little bows that are in there. Oh, so cute. So cute. Okay, and then to top this one off, I know she sells stuff individually, but look how cute these like flower starbursts are. They look a little bit like snowflakes. Oops. Might have put too many. Winter Wonderland yumminess. Hopefully my phone's recording. As you know, some more snowflakes. These are more of the like solid pink because the other ones are iridescent. She even has mint snowflakes, clearish white stars. How gorgeous is this like pastel Wonderland mix? And then now I'm going to add some cookies. These are clay little chocolate chip cookies. Look how stinking cute those are, you guys. Look at this. This seriously looks like a cereal mix, like a delicious, can I be a cereal designer? Mix is looking like a mad scientist, guys. Look how yummy, delicious that mix is. And this is using all Ariel's sequins from her shop in little clay bits. So get that stuff while you can, you guys. The only thing that I added that wasn't was the seed beads in there. And color scheme. So this one I'm gonna do like pastels like that, but with some reds. These reds and greens that I'm gonna be adding are from my stash. Ooh, I might have done a too bright of a green. If something's very strong, what I mean by strong is like if it's, so these are all just solids, you know? Like for instance, this one, the strong ones would be the candy swirls and the cookies. An accent piece. You need a statement piece. So for this one, I think I'm going to add some pink and red of those candy canes that, oh my gosh, these are so cute. Because I have pinks and reds in this mix. I have some like heart diamonds. I'm gonna add those. Nice stash. I think that's from the Christina shop. Oh my gosh, look at these. I add some Snowflake because these aren't too overbearing. They're kind of just like white. Oh. And my main piece is gonna be the gingerbread. Oh, these are so cute. I can't even. Ginger, look it. Okay, and then what I also do is if I'm mixing that, I literally just scoop all this off my desk straight into the mix. Probably how I got a freaking jump ring in my mix that one time. Oh my gosh, on one of my projects. Look how cute this gingerbread. Let's showcase this bad boy. Look how yummy. Look at all those textures and patterns. So cute. Winter wishes. And I know exactly who I'm going to use for this one. I'm gonna add some KS Craft, those like flat back bobble dewdrops, just because this is a blue mix. Look it, I'm ready to go work for sprinklets. Okay, and then guess who my main component of this one is gonna be? You guessed right, the snowman, because the snowman lives in a winter wonderland. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Like this gorgeousness, like what I see. So pretty, so pretty. Darker pinks from Cartwright. My main component is going to be these red guys. I might have to add some red sequins. I'll see right now. Okay, sorry, my camera turned off. Okay, so this is the one that I just did with the candy cane wishes. And then this one is like the pastel snow and cocoa vibes. You know what I should add to this? Some silver. But I don't know where my silver sequins are. It's got the reds. This is more of the Hey Santa. One is Winter Wishes. Winter Wishes, Candy Cane Kisses, Gingerbread Kisses, Wishes Kisses. Shoot, I already forgot. Okay, maybe I shouldn't name them. But look how cute these all turned out. They're similar but different. This one's way different, but yeah, how adorable, you guys. Definitely just have fun, experiment. It's all about mixing. I will link Ariel's information and website down below so you guys can go shop and check it out. Oh, so cute. I'm obsessed with these. All right, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.